Welcome everybody. Welcome. Welcome in everybody. There we go. Let me just go ahead and put this down in the corner here. How's everybody doing today? Welcome in. Let me get the counter turned off. I can see this better. There we go. Alright everybody, so today's stream, I seem to be peaking awful loud, ain't I? Check. 1, 2, 3, check. 1, 2, 3, check. Okay, there we go, that's better. So, who do we all have here today? Emerald's here. Okay, well, Emerald's now hosting me. Thank you very much, Emerald. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
There's Emerald. So what we are doing today, I've been getting so many questions on how you get the map in Opitfiine and all the shaders on 1.13.2. So we are going to go over that now. And the person that was asking about this, I'm not sure he's here. Well, he'll just have to watch it later. So let me go ahead and...
He might be recovering from that trip he took yesterday.
Yeah, that could be it too.
Depending on when he left, I mean, it was an 11-hour drive.
Right. Yeah, he was on early this morning asking about it, so told him I'd be doing this. So the first thing you need to do, we need to go to Java. So you'll type in Java right here, Google. I recommend Google Chrome also. Recommend Google Chrome. Hey, he is here. Welcome. So this is where we start. Right here. Java.com right here. You click on that. And go ahead, Java download. So we got an April 16th. So today is April 29th, 2019, because this is going up on YouTube. Releases were changed on April 16th, 2019. It is version 8, update 2.11, and the file size is 1.95 gigabytes. So what you want to do, you want to agree and start download. It will come up down here. And it'll click up like this. Oh. Ooh. And then this box here will show up. You can change destination folder if you want to, but don't. And then click install. It will download this. So we'll let that download. I guess it didn't like me when I clicked on that, huh? And then let me go ahead and shut this off. And then this pops up here. So we'll let that install. And it should pop up this window here that says you have successfully installed Java updates. So what you want to do, more about update settings. So we'll go ahead and click that open. I'm going to go ahead and click this close now. So then this just tells you how to change your notification settings and all that. So what you do, you save the Java. Yes. So once that window that I just closed opens up, you'll go ahead and click on this, and then you can scroll down here. Change automatic update settings. So let's go ahead and find that. Windows 10, click the Start button to find the Java control panel. You'll right-click on the Start button, select the Control Panel option in the Windows Control Panel, and click on Programs. So we go over here to Control Panel. Click on Programs. Programs are probably apps right here. And you scroll down. And Java should be... You'll scroll down until you find, well, maybe not, Java's not in there. So actually, what we'll want to do, down here in the corner where Katana is, hello Katana, you will type in Java. And then if you type in Java down there, you'll click on Configure Java. This window right here will pop up. Java Control Panel. So you went down here to where your Katana is to type in search right next to your Start button. This is on Windows 10. Notify me before installing. Check automatic updates. Go ahead and do that. Java, view the image. Okay, let's go and view that. So this right here. This right here will show you platform 18.0.11. It'll show you where it's located and where the path of it is. So mine's in C, program files, X8, Java, JER 1.8. So that's good. It's installed. Security, just leave that on high. Advanced, just don't mess with that at all.
Isaac, slow down just a little bit for him.
Okay. So yeah, that'll cover Java. Do you have any more questions? The General tab. Or did I shut that completely now? Okay. Okay, the General tab. Oh, where'd it go? Go ahead and get this back off the screen. Get back over here. Yeah, over here. Let's just lower that down. And okay, so let's go ahead and pull up our control panel here. This one here. Let's look at, no, don't worry about network settings. So really, there's nothing to do on here. Your update tab, notify me before installing. Do that. In here, view and image the runtime versions and settings for your Java application applets. Make sure you have. Make sure this window right here shows 1.8.0.2.1.1, and it's loaded into this file right here in your program files. Oh, you probably can't see that. There we go. Into that file right there. Press OK. And security should be set on high. I think that's automatic. High. And don't mess it with advanced. So then you'll just click apply. And then press OK. Close that window. Now, the next. We can close this window now. But yeah, so that is where you go to download the latest version of Java. Right here. Right here. So, the next thing we need is your Riftmod, Rift/1.0.4/66. As of today, I don't think they've been updating it much. And then you'll go ahead and download that. It'll show up down here and just say keep. You can search it like this. Minecraft Rift mods. Yep, type in Minecraft Rift mods, and you'll scroll down. Overview of Rift mods projects in Minecraft Curse Forge, and then right underneath there is this link right here. And you click on that, and that opens up this page right there, and then you download it right there. Then it'll come in down here. So I'm going to just go ahead and drag it up onto my desktop. So it's right here on my desktop now. And it should look like this here. It should look exactly like this if you have Java installed right. Then the next one you'll need to do let's do this again. So you'll go in here and type in Opitfiine. You click on Opitfiine, and you click on this first link. Okay, you're on this site now. You just click the download button. Yep, just click this download button right there. It'll come down here. Come down right here. Right there. And then you'll take this and you'll drag it over to your desktop. And like I said, it should look just like this. It should have the Java symbol on it, just like is down here on the on that opening page that I had. For all to let you know, I'm helping my mod syndicate try to get this set up on his computer. So anybody that's going to be watching this on YouTube, So yeah, that's, you download it, you drag it right here on your desktop. Next thing you're going to need voxel map 113.2 Rift. And when you search for that, it'll pop up overview of voxel map mods and blah blah blah. So you can click on that link right there, and it'll take you to this right here. Supports Java 8, and you will download that and keep. You take that and you drag it right up here. It should look just like this. Riftmod voxel map 1.8.2 to R 1.13.2. Look like that. Right there. I already have. And your mic is off again. Hey, Boo Boo! Welcome in, welcome in. I'm kind of going over how to get the mods and stuff on 1.13.2 here for Syndicate, and everybody else. I'm gonna put it up on the YouTube. So, but yeah, so that's the next one right here, voxel map. Now, the next one we need to work on is Opitfiine. So you'll type in Opitfiine, opitfiine.net, and then Opitfiine download right there. You'll click on that. And you'll want the very top one for 1.13.2. So you just click the download button right there. You'll end up with an AdFly ad, of course. We're going to deny that. And, of course, we got to wait on that. We skip the ad button. And you should pop up to this screen right here. I will leave this link in the description down below. I'll leave all the links in the description down below. So then you download Opitfiine 1.13.2 HDU e7.jar. It's going to come down here and it's going to ask me, do I keep it or do I discard it? I am going to keep it. So then you'll take that and you'll drag it right up here. Drag it up here on your desktop. Just like that. So then that is how we're going to get the Riftmod map and the Riftmod Opitfiine, so you can run your shaders, you can run your texture packs, and you can have the Opitfiine options on 1.13.2, so it will run better. So I think we're done with that now. So I've already well, I'll go ahead and show you. So if it doesn't look like this right here, you'll want to open it up like this. How do you want to open this file? I want to open it with Java. So again, you right click on it and you get this option right here. Move, scan, share. You want to open with, and it'll give you this option right here. You want to do it with the Java TM Platform SE binary. And you'll press OK. And you'll get this window right here. Rift.1.0.1/66 Minecraft 1.3 has successfully been installed. This is available in the drop-down menu of the vanilla Minecraft launcher. You will need to restart the Minecraft launcher if you had it open when you ran this installer. It's best to leave Minecraft uninstalled when you are not running when you do this. So you'll press the OK button.
In other words, you don't want Minecraft installed, or you just don't want Minecraft on while you're doing it.
You don't want Minecraft running while you're doing this.
So Minecraft should be shut off before you start anything. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
But now that if that still shows the Internet Explorer, you want to open it with. You want to open it with. It should pop up with a window just like this. And then you'll click this button right here, always open jar files with Java Platform SE. You have no Java option.
He's got Internet Explorer and it's blocking the Rift. And he's getting no Java option.
You're getting no Java option.
We didn't have Java when we were on Internet Explorer, did we?
Java Explorer is the bane of everybody's existence. Yeah, it should. If everything's installed right, you should have Java. And do you have it in that window? It said there was Java installed, right? Yeah, so you have something not going right with your Java. I've never had any problems with Java not loading right and showing up like this. You're still getting unable to install the Java message error? Even when we were back at so when we were back at this page back here, and you clicked on this, it told you couldn't download it? So this is so right here. Download and install. It is recommended before you install online, you may want to disable your internet firewall. In some cases, the default firewall settings are set to reject all automatic or online installations of the Java installation. The firewall is not configured properly and may stall the download operation of Java. What are you knocking on?
My desk.
Quit. It may stall the download operation of the Java under certain conditions. Refer to your specific Internet Firewall manual for instructions on how to disable your Internet Firewall. Go to java.com and click on the free download button. On the Internet Explorer download page, click the download button to start the installation process. The file download dialog box appears, prompting you to run or save the download. So this page right here gives you how to do that. I will. And you should have this. And then you should have this. The installer notifies you if Java content is disabled in web browsers. So you got them messages. Okay. So and in here, when you went to Java, this showed up like this, right? You might have some kind of firewall on there. What kind of let's type firewall. Check firewall status. So let's look at this. Type in down below firewall in the search button, and it should come up with something that looks like this: the Defender firewall. So your private should say not connected. Guest and public deck should say connected. And you should have now down here your Java binary should be set to public. Should be clicked. Your Java platform SC should be set to public. Do you find those? Make sure Java platform SC. How did I get there? I typed in firewall in the search. And then when you type in firewall, you'll get Windows Defender Firewall. You can also get it. You can also get to it from your control panel, and then it's under Systems and Securities, and then Defender Firewall. And then right up here, allow app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. So yeah, you can do it, type it in that way, or you can just find it in your control panel. Then you open that up, and it shows this, and you'll scroll down to where it says Java W and Java Platform SC binary. Make sure they are set to public. And they are clicked here. Okay. You'll have to click this. You'll have to click this little button here to change settings. Right up here, where it has a little shield, and then change settings. You'll have to click that to make any changes to this. Cause see, now I can shut these off, but I don't want to shut them off. And then once you're done with that, press OK. And then you can close all these out. Java is public. Okay, and it is highlighted. Okay. All right, so go back over here to this. When you open this and you say open with, what does it tell you when you do open with? Huh. Unable to install. But this right there pops up. That's really odd. So let's So, well, I'm going to go ahead and keep going here. So the next thing we'll do, we will pop this open. We'll pop Minecraft open. Launcher options. Wait. You know what? Six is not the one to use. That is a very old one. Do not use that, please. Let's go back to the beginning. We want 1.0.4/106. So, why does... Alright. Let's do... Let's re-look at this. So this is highly outdated.
So you've done all that work for nothing?
For some reason, that one that I said to download is not. So we need to put in here download. What is that one again? We need Rift. R.1.0.4/106. So we gotta go back through and find where I found that. Found that download. So anything you try to open up, so there is something completely messed up with your Java. Completely. Rift version link. Let's see here. Oh, there it is right here. 106 on GitHub. There it is. So this right here. That right there is where to get the latest version. I'm going to copy that over to... I'm going to copy that over to here. I can put it on the YouTube video. Because this other mod that they were trying to push on me is not the right one. So yeah, so this is the one that we want right here. So there's this link right here, and it takes us... No, not that one. Yep, this GitHub Dimensional Development Rift releases. And this one was released on January 1st, right here. And then you will click on this right here to download it. Keep it. And drag that up there. And that link will be down below also.
Now you got to go through everything all over again?
Yeah, I copied that, and this will all be in the Discord. And it'll also be on the... I don't need to go over the rest of it. I just needed to make that correction, because we downloaded the wrong one the first time. I didn't realize that... same error message. Have you ever had Java run on that computer before? There's something definitely wrong with your Java. Let's search Java. What exact error message was that again? Unable to install. Okay. Click OK to save settings. It's pretty much what I pretty much what I did there. Showed you that. I'll go ahead and put that on the link too. Put that in my list of links.
He's saying he got the message saying it was installed, but it won't download.
Java error message. Java error message. Can't load. Can't download? Is that what it is? Can't download? Failed to download required installation files? Is that the error? Solution login as a system administrator and initiate auto update. Or run Java Updater as an administrator mode. Now what are you doing? What? Unable to install Java message. Well, let's just look at this one.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having issues installing Java or you're looking just to install Java for the first time. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and will apply for all newer versions of the Windows operating system. So we're going to jump into it and we're going to start by navigating over to the Java webpage that I'm going to have in the description of the video. It should be the official webpage of Java. It should say Oracle Corporation in the top corner. And now underneath Windows downloads, which I'm assuming most of you guys who are watching this video are probably going to select. And if you're using a Mac computer, you can select the one below down here. So the first one is going to be the online installer. Second one is going to be a 32-bit version of the Windows offline installer. And the last one is a 64-bit version. So personally, if you're unsure, I'd recommend just selecting the Windows Online version here. And keep in mind, some people are using 32-bit browsers on 64-bit computers, so you would actually have to install both. So I'm just going to select the Windows Online installer. Doesn't really matter which one, but just to give you guys an idea. So it's going to ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You want to left click on yes. It's going to say welcome to Java. I'm going to left click on install here. This process will take a couple minutes to run, so just be patient.
So obviously this isn't the fix one. Let's look at this one. Java installation not complete. Some kind of jar fix something of another. Okay. So go to that and download this link there. So yeah, so let's go here. Go to there, and there's a link down in the bottom. Click on that and try that. So yeah, try that. So it is this right here. Copy. Paste. That, and I will put that on the link also. So yeah, so you'll scroll down here and it says this, this, and this. So you got 64-bit and you got 32-bit. I'm pretty sure yours is a 64, so then make sure you have this. And if you already have Java installed, then run this program. So make sure you click on that. Then, once you have Rift installed here, you'll open this up and you should have a mods folder. You got Opitfiine here and the Rift voxel mod right here. So more or less you just got to drag these. You don't need to drag that, just that one and Opitfiine into here. Also find the Rift mod list. Let me go find that real quick. Rift mod. And that is right here, Rift mod list, which I will also put a link in the description down below. Let me do that now. And you download that one. And you'll take that and you'll drag that one up here onto your desktop. And once you have all that done, you have all them three in there. Open back up your Minecraft. Here in the JVM arguments, it's usually set at 2. I would recommend put it at 4 or higher. I put mine at 6 because I have like 24 gigabytes of memory. So I went ahead and put it at 6. We'll save. Go back to news. Click on play. Should pop up. Hey, Night Shifter! Woohoo! We got a raid! Welcome, welcome in, raiders. Welcome in, everybody to the tornado shelters. Welcome, welcome in, raiders. Welcome, welcome in. Yep, we're just going over how to install Rift for 1.13.2. So you can get this right here. Opitfiine, Rift mod list, and voxel map installed on your 1.13. But yes, welcome, welcome in, welcome in. So yes. So you want to shut that back off? So yeah, so you should have Rift 1.4.106 Rift mod voxel, Opitfiine, and Rift mod list. But yes, welcome in, Night Shifter. Hope your stream went well, and thank you for the raid. And Emerald's making lots of noises on the other end.
Yeah, Night Shifter's getting ready to go to work.
Okay. But yeah, welcome in, raiders. Welcome, welcome. We've got about 30 minutes here.
I tell you what, if you're going, you go ahead and stream. I can do it maybe later tonight. I can just change the time on mine.
No, we'll send it over to you.
Okay.
But yes, mod loader 1.13 Rift mod. That's what we're doing. And Java. Showing everybody how to do that. For all those of you that play Java Minecraft. So yeah, so to get the to get your Rift mods, you go to this page right here, and you click on this right here. To get Java, you'll go to java.com, download Java. Voxel mod, this is where you'll get your voxel mod, right here. This is an overview of what the voxel mod does. Rift. And then your Rift mod list. And you'll get that there. That's what lists the mods right there. So, yes, welcome in. We will be raiding Emerald here in about 30 minutes or so. When she's ready to go.
I got most of it pulled up, so.
Okay.
All I gotta do is my little pop out.
All right, all right.
Don't want to do him too soon.
So yeah, are there any questions on how to download and install the Rift mods? Any questions?
Anybody having problems downloading and installing the Riftmod?
Yeah, anybody having problems installing it, I can answer most of the questions. So many questions? Okay. We might have to discuss them later over voice or something, because this is what I could come up with for you. So far. Yeah, that right there is the Rift mod you need to download. So yeah, so we'll probably do that. Like I said, there's voxel map and the Rift mod list, which let me go ahead and make sure I have it over here. Yep, I got it right there. So like I said, these links will be all in the description down below in YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one because that one didn't do us any good. Yeah, so see, this is what I'm doing here. These all here will be in the description down below. I'll get them all copied in there for right now. But yeah, then like I said, you when you open this up, it'll either say this there or you'll have to yeah, the video will be uploaded today. It won't take long. Yep, so you can pause it, look it over, all that. Yep. I will have it here, and it won't take very long. Then, if Rift isn't there, you'll scroll down. You'll scroll down and just look for it. Then yeah, you'll just click on that, and you'll find it here in this list here. And you can rename this whatever you want, but then you click on that. Make sure your JVM arguments. Like I said, it usually says 2 gigabytes. But depends on how much memory your computer holds. I would recommend 4 or over. I think I set Emeralds up to like 8. I got mine
Yeah,
set to
yeah.
6. Did I set yours to 6 too? 6 seems to work. Okay.
You were gonna set it at 5, but then you decided to go ahead and go to 6.
Yeah. So we went ahead and went with 6 on our computers. Her computer has 32 gigabytes and mine has 24. So, but I would definitely bump it up to at least 4 or above. So, and then like I said, you just click this little green arrow right there. And that'll open up this page right here. And you double click on the mods, and that's where you drag the mods into, right there. So. Yes, that is how that works. So we will, after you're done making all those changes, make sure to save. Go back to news. We open this up. And it crashes.
Yeah, it does on us, remember?
Okay. It crashes, try it again. It crashes another time.
Try it again.
Try it again. And then
Usually back the third time.
It'll load up. It'll load up, and like I said, you'll have this. You'll have Opitfiine, Rift, mod list, and voxel map. And then to set up your resource packs, there's my resource packs. You will find. I'll even leave a link to how to get Chroma Hills, and these links to these over here. But yeah, you just, so to get in there, you'll open up your resource pack, and when you have your resource pack, you'll just drop them right in here. And then when you're done with that, I'm going to move this to the top. And when you're done with that, you press done. And it has to reload Minecraft real quick. And then in video settings, if you got shaders, you'll open this one up, and you'll open up the shaders folder, and this is where you put your shader packs. It's in Minecraft shader packs. So these are the ones I have right now. I'm using Sliders Vibrant Shaders 1.8 Extreme. It seems you have to have a pretty good, powerful computer to use it, but it looks the best so far. The other ones don't look too bad either, but this one looks the best so far for me. That's one me and Emerald are both using on our server play. And then once you're done with that, you have options down here. I have my mine color boost to strong and my moonlight to very bright, so it's brighter during the night. I have water texture on. This is something Emerald probably needs to do. It needs to go in and turn her fog off. She was talking about how she was getting fog. So this is where you go to turn the fog off. Depth of field. Leave those all off in default. Bloom is on. We'll just leave that on default. Damage flash on. Ice and glass reflections. Gotta have those on. Those look great. White world, leave that off. Waving objects. If you don't like the waving objects, you can turn them off and on here. Sky and lighting. I have mine set at 12. Volume of clouds at 16. I got God rays on. Raindrops on. I don't have the lens flare on. I have the shader moon on. And I have the default skybox and stars. And we got shader stars is on. Clouds blur. Clouds are volumetric. That's how we set that up. And yeah, that's how to set your shaders up. I always have my lighting level set all the way up top. Smooth lighting set to maximum. I have my brightness set all the way up. Dynamic lights, these are important. When you're holding the torch, it emits a glow when holding them in your hand. So I got mine on fancy. But yeah, that is how I have my Minecraft set up. Let's jump into Stormy Frogs here real quick. Take a look around. Maybe. There we go.